In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Venmo application not loading. Now, there could be many reasons why this could be happening, but the most common issue is your internet connection. So in order to actually go ahead and check your internet connection, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your phone menu that does look like this. So currently I am on a mobile data, but you guys can go ahead and actually access your Wi-Fi right over here. So the point is you want to make sure that your internet connection is actually stable. And if you are running Venmo on your computer, what you could also do is purchase a Ethernet cable. An Ethernet cable is an inexpensive cable that will connect directly to your router, and it will give you fast and seamless Wi-Fi. So it's really important that your internet connection is really good whenever you're trying to access Venmo. And if you are having troubles with your internet connection, I suggest restarting your Wi-Fi router or turning on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turning it back off. The next thing you want to do is you want to check if your Venmo application is up to date. To do this, all you need to do is you need to open up the Google Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're on iOS, and all you need to do is you need to go ahead and just look up Venmo just like so. There you go. And you want to make sure that it is actually updated. So if there's an update available, there will be a blue button that says update, and all you need to do is go ahead and press on that, and then it will update your Venmo application. If you're still running into issues, I suggest closing the Venmo app completely and then restarting it to see if it actually does work. So there you go. Let's go ahead and do that really quickly. And yep, it is actually working for us right over here. And next up, you really want to go ahead and disable any VPNs or ad blockers. So if you're using a VPN or an ad blocker, I suggest that you turn it off, as it may interfere with Venmo's connection. Now, another thing that could be causing this issue is the Venmo server status. So what I recommend that you guys do is actually go ahead and visit the website called Down Detector. So go to this website right over here. You guys could also access this website on your mobile device as well, but for clarity purposes, I'm going to go ahead and show the website version. But basically, this is a website that will tell you if like the Venmo servers are down. So if you see like a massive spike, then that means that the Venmo servers are most likely down, and you will have to wait in order for the servers to actually go back up, which actually does happen quite frequently. And lastly, if you're still running into issues, then what I recommend as sort of a last resort is to uninstall the Venmo application and then reinstall it again. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.